This video is taken from my course on how to create a hybrid casual mobile game. More info in the description. Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create our UI crop container class. That will be really helpful when configuring the crop container. And if you want to change the display also, whenever we collect a crop. So let's do that. Let's open the scripts folder. I think we can drop that script inside of the inventory folder. That's a suitable folder. So let's create a new C# script and let's call it UI crop container. Like so. After that, we can select our UI crop container and open the prefab, okay? So let's grab our UI crop container script and drop it in here. Perfect. Now when we exit the prefab mode, all of the other UI crop containers have that script. Cool. Let's open it. Okay, so our UI crop container has an icon and an amount right here, the amount of crop that we've got for that specific crop, okay? So let's add a reference to this sprite, so to this image and this text mesh pro, so that we can change them by code, okay? So let's go back to our script. Let's add the UnityEngine.ui library because this is the one that contains the image. Let me show you. So let's add first a header, elements, serialized field, private image, icon. Let's call it icon image. Yeah, or maybe just icon. It's going to be simple enough. And right now we have an error. So we need to add the UnityEngine.ui library. Perfect. Let's also add our text mesh pro. So serialized field, private, text mesh pro, UGUI, amount text. Yep, something like that. And let's also add the text mesh pro library. Perfect. Now we are good to go. We are going to add a configure method. So public void configure. What will this method do? So later on, we are going to display or hide these UI crop containers by using an other script. It's going to be an inventory display script. It's going to be responsible for hiding and showing these, okay? Because we don't want to show the same amount of containers every time. At start, you will have nothing. So nothing should be displayed. Then you will gather some corn. So you should display the amount of corn that your player has. And afterwards, you will gather other crops. And then you will want to display these crops. But then you will sell them. So when selling, you shouldn't have anything in your inventory. So no crop container should be displayed. Got it? So we'll play around this. But let's keep things simple for now. Basically, you just need to know that this configure method is going to be useful. So we are going to configure the UI crop container using an icon. So sprite icon. Okay, along with an amount. So it's going to be an integer amount. Perfect. And just to prevent some misunderstanding right here, let's actually rename this icon image. That's actually better. So in here, we want to set the sprite property of our icon image. So icon image.sprite equals icon. Cool. After that, let's actually change our text. So amount text dot text equals amount dot toString. To convert that into a string, because this is an integer. If you don't convert it into a string, you will have an error. Okay, perfect. This is it actually. So this is the method that we are going to use when we instantiate our UI crop container for the first time. But after that, if you collect more crops of that same type, so if you collect like more tomatoes and you already have some tomatoes, you will want to update your display. So you can either call the configure method and you will have to pass in the icon every time, okay? Or you can create another method actually. So let's do that. Public void update display with the new amount of crops that we've got. So amount text.text equals amount.toString. Perfect. And that will be it. So we can actually remove our update and start method. We won't use them. Cool. And this is our UI crop container script. Awesome. In the next lesson, let's learn how we can actually start displaying our first crop inside of the UI right here. So yeah, see you in the next one.